Hey guys, it's Shantrinas and I am back with another hair video. So today I'm going to do a wand curl on blow dried hair. So I blow dried my hair with the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, and I used a little bit of my Redken Anti-Snap as well. And the Super Skinny Serum is just like a heat protectant that I'm using right now. And the wand curler that I'm using is my 8-in-1 from Irresistible Me. It's their wand curler in the smallest size. So this process is super simple. All you have to do is wrap your hair around the barrel. I'm just gonna kind of speed it up so you guys can get the gist of what I'm doing here. And I really like this curling wand because it comes with a glove, and that's gonna save you from burning your hand, because I don't know how many times I've burned my hand just from trying to curl my hair, but this one helps out a lot, so that's really nice. Right now I'm still figuring out what hair color I'm going to do next. Don't get me wrong, like I think this color is pretty, but I do want to kind of fix and tone some areas. So I'm probably going to work with a hairstylist, like somebody that's licensed and knows what they're doing, because I am not licensed, and kind of get it fixed to where it's a more natural ombre instead of going from a really dark color to a really light color. And I will definitely get back to you guys on that. As far as my hair goes, it is still pretty healthy. I don't have any issues right now. I just prefer wearing wigs at the moment. So if you see me wearing wigs, it's because I like to, not because my hair is breaking or anything. I just kind of like them more right now. And it's a lot easier to kind of put on a wig in the morning than it is to style a twist out or braid out. So don't mind me, I'm just lazy. Yeah. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the description box. I will be more than happy to answer them for you. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.